I am back with another video today, and my topic is very interesting today. And I am gonna start something new. That is, I am getting a lot of the messages, comments on my daily routine, and people keep asking that I have Poco X8 Pro Max is root on the device. Is web clean all the data? Yes, all your data will be clean if you properly root your smartphone and I would like to start a topic today. Another latest smartphone has been released on the in the market. Galaxy F70 Pro. Okay, Galaxy F70 Pro. I would like to open uh, some four website where I will take the accurate firmware file. My topic is how you can download accurate firmware file of the Galaxy F70 Pro and how you can use that file and which software you need to store you need to use and I am opening the Odin software and I install the USB driver Samsung USB drivers already. Okay, Odin software I have already downloaded in my PC. Let me download Odin and download Samsung USB drivers. Okay, this is a website where I will search the F70 Pro and you will see the Galaxy F50 Z Flip, but the accurate file is 17 F Pro 17 Pro E. You can download the Samsung USB driver from the website I am gonna show you and audience software I would download from here. Here you can see to download USB drivers and audience software from here. I recommend my users latest update and one root click no problem. Okay, one root or an Odin click run software. You can see download option and questions. It website has a lot of the ads and problems. That is why. And, mm, okay, it is asking where would you like to save the file. Okay, you can see where I click in the last. Here are the options. You can click any of them and download. And here is the smartphone. I am gonna show you the accurate firmware file that you can download easily. Click on this version. Like if you are facing the problem and you are confused that which Android version should you download accurate firmware that match with your device, that is like open your smartphone and setting uh, like Samsung setting and built-in number. Okay, a smartphone about phone software information. After that, you will see the built-in number like this, and let me open this and this one. Currently, I have no any smartphone right now on my hand. That is why I am showing you the options and ways that how you can do yourself. Let me download this. Full accurate firmware file. I would like to open this other tool, check IMI number, and I will put the IMI number here from this smartphone device. You can see about phone, go to setting and about phone and software information. You will see your IMI number. Let me copy this IMI number. Okay, 355 464 111. Okay, and 948617. Now go to the website and put your IMI number here. You will get all of the information of a smartphone device here. You can see this is a smartphone S20 5G and you can download from here. I'm just showing the options and steps you can do yourself properly, and this option is will give you the accurate firmware file. Amazing option. You can see accurate firmware file now may will match the built-in number here. You can see and let me check the built-in number CWH2. You can see CWH2. Okay, W. Okay, there is no any firmware file, but we will search CWH2. Okay, we need to match from here CH. Okay, if you match your built-in number at the last four digit, you will get the accurate firmware file and click here. Now open the, you can see AP file, BL file, CP and CSC file, and use the data file. You can download manually if you want, or you can directly download from the server, and file size up to 6.92 GB. Okay, let me open the Odin software. Okay, I already open, and I already installed the Samsung USB drivers. Yes, and I have already BL file saved. Here you can see I would like to extract it here to save your time. Okay, now you can see the file I would like to place and perfectly all of the match, and you need to add all the files properly one by one, and you can easily make your smartphone firmware flash root and the accurate firmware file I show you in the video. Okay, that's all. I hope you understand my guideline properly. And there's a lot options you can do, like switch off your smartphone and press power button and volume down button continuously. Hold for the 5 to 10 seconds until you will see the below screen on the smartphone. Okay, friend, thank you so much for watching my video. I will make I will upload this video up to thrice time to show you the one is how to root, how to download firmware and download the accurate firmware file. Okay, that's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.